check the survey lines.
Don't check no for an answer.
No.
I hope you know how to ski then.
I came prepared for a cold reception.
Two testy kittens on a rainy day. It's Annabelle to the right and Alistair to the left. He always lays down and challenges her. Crazy boy. Stop it. No, you stop it. You stop it. No, you stop it. Stop it. I said stop it. I'm leaving.